list. Okay, let's start today's course. Okay, so let me draw the circuit for you once again so that you can understand it clearly. That is the resistance and the inductance of the primary coil. Resistance and inductance of the primary coil, and that is a voltage source, and that is attached to the primary coil. And just for the example, I am writing down the primary coil here. Actually, these resistance and inductance are mentioned there. Okay, so let's clarify that thing. R1 JX1, and that is V1. Okay, and here E1 is developed according to the Faraday's law. E1 is developed. Okay, and here the mutual inductance happen here. So the resistance and inductance of the second coil is this R2 and JX2. Let's say that I1 current is flowing through that particular circuit, and if it is E2, then suppose I'm saying that I2 current is flowing through that particular circuit, and here comes the load. Here comes the load. If the load is here, then across the load, the drop of the voltage is say V2. So from that thing, we have developed the equation. We have developed the equation. What is that equation? That equation is V1 is a source. We have to find out the equation that is basically called the primary, that is called the primary side of the transformer. That is called the primary side of the transformer. Of the transformer, and that is basically called the secondary side of the transformer. That is called as the secondary side of the transformer. So if I clarify this thing, so what is the primary voltage equation? The primary voltage equation, already I have told you that V1 is equal to minus C1 plus I1 R1 plus JX1. Because here V1 is a source. V1 is a source. Okay. And can you tell me what is the secondary voltage equation? I told you about that. That is basically, we can call it equation number, it is equation number 1. And who is the source? E2 is the source. So E2 is equal to how much?
V2 plus
V2 plus I2
V2
R2 plus
plus
JX2.
I2 into R2 plus JX2. That is equation number 2. Okay, we have already accustomed about these two equations. Third equation, transformer is based on 4 equations. Okay, so already we have learned about these two equations. Now the third equation is like that. When what happened when there is no load? When there is no load, what will happen? When there is no load, this
I2
side,
will not be there.
the voltage is E2. Why? Because no current, no drop is there. If I2 is equal to 0, you know that part is 0, then E2 equal to V2. Then E2 equal to V2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then when it is open circuited, the current which is flowing through that particular circuit is equal to I0.
I0.
So at that point of time, I0 equal to I1. At that point of time, I0 equal to I1. Now you understand what I'm saying right now? And
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I0 is called
No load current.
no load
No
current.
load on primary current.
No load current. Okay. So I0
Yes,
is
sir.
flowing through primary circuit. Now Now, when the I0 is flowing through the inductance, so why we are placing the inductance? Inductance is responsible of what? Inductance is basically responsible for to making a coil. Inductance is nothing but a coil. When the current is flowing through a solenoid type coil, what will happen? If the current is flowing through a particular coil, what will happen? It will generate a magnetic field. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So it will generate a magnetic field, and again, this coil has some resistance. This coil has some resistance now.
Yes, sir.
So this coil has some resistance. So that will treat as a heat developed on that particular area. You understand what I'm saying right now?
স্যার আপনার মার্কার দেখা
Develop.
যাচ্ছে না, বুঝতে পারছি না
Huh?
স্যার কোন ফাইলটার কথা বলছেন।
Okay. I'm going to tell you. Okay. So this is a circuit representation. Okay, but actual the thing are like this. This is basically called as core. This is the circuit. Okay, now that coil is basically called as primary, and that is secondary. Yes or no? এইটুকু বুঝে গেছে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এইটুকু বুঝতে পারা গেছে? Okay. Okay, so that coil is basically called as primary, and that coil is basically called as. Now, when the current flow through the primary, it will generate a magnetic field. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
If no current is flowing through the secondary, it means this
No
condition.
magnetic field.
Means no load condition.
No load.
So the only responsible current is I1, which is
Yes, sir.
right now I0.
I0.
So the only responsible current to create the magnetic field is I0. বুঝা গেছে কি বলছি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
So the only responsible current to create the magnetic field is I0. Now one part of I0 is basically creating the magnetic field, is engaged of creating the magnetic field. Yes or no?
Yes,
One
sir.
part of I0 is basically engaged in creating the magnetic field, right? And the other part of I0, because that particular solenoid, এই solenoid কি আছে? On that solenoid, এই solenoid কি আছে? Resistive part রয়েছে,
ইন্ডাকটিভ পার্টও আছে।
inductive part রয়েছে। So if resistive part and inductive part both are present on that particular circuit, so inductive part is basically responsible to create the magnetic field, and resistive part is treated as a loss part. Why it is called as a loss part? Because when the current is flowing through that particular resistance, what will happen?
The heat generate.
And what is the power loss? I square R.
Yes sir.
And that I square R loss is basically treated as a heat loss.
Heat loss.
So this is basically a loss component. Okay, now you understand. This is basically called as a loss component. So in case of that thing, now the third equation is I0 is equal to in different book they have mentioned it in a different format, but the more important thing is called the core loss part, and that is called the
স্যার
or
কোর লস পার্টটা ওই যেটা রেজিস্ট্যান্সের জন্য লুজ করছে।
let's not core loss component, and that is basically called as a Now you understand what I'm saying right now? So that is basically the third equation. That is called as no load equation. That is called the no load equation. That is called the no load equation. Now, one more important thing, that I core. So that is basically called the core loss component. If the core loss component is there, you know the most important thing, that I core is often written as IH plus E plus I phi. What do you mean by H and what do you mean by E? That I core is sometimes written as IH plus E. H stands for hysteresis and E stands for hysteresis and E stands for eddy current. First of all, you note it down, then I will explain it to you. Okay, so let me explain you. Can you tell me what do you mean by hysteresis? Can you tell me what do you mean by hysteresis? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what do you mean by hysteresis? You have studied hysteresis or not?
Yes, sir.
করেছি।
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by hysteresis?
B versus H graph.
B versus H graph. B versus H graph. Okay. So like this type, B versus H graph. এরকম একটা পড়েছিলিস না?
হ্যাঁ, মানে যে পাতে ইনক্রিজ করবে সেই পাতে রিটার্ন করবে না।
এরকম একটা পড়েছিলিস না? Hysteresis.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. पढ़ा हुआ है।
Yes, sir.
It's like that. And that is hysteresis, obviously. But you don't know what do you mean by hysteresis. You remember that thing, that graph you remember, but you don't remember what hysteresis thing is all about. So and that is basically called as hysteresis curve. Now what will happen? Let me clarify you that thing.
Sir,
Now
due to
what happened?
ferromagnetic-
What happened? I am telling you. Forget about BH curve. Think the new thing. If I am placing it current and I am placing here no, not current. Okay, let's take BH curve. H stands for what? H equal to what?
Magnetic field intensity.
ফিল্ড ইন্টেন্সিটি।
Magnetic field intensity. Very good. And this one is B. B stands for
Magnetic field
Magnetic field.
strength. So it's magnetic field.
Flux density.
B stands for
Flux density.
yes. H often called as magnetic field. Magnetic field or magnetic field intensity both are the same thing. Okay. Now you remember that thing? Magnetic field and magnetic field intensity both are the same thing, and it will depend on, it is a function of current. Magnetic এটাকে ডিলিট করে কি করে? বাবা, এটা মাঝখানে কোথা থেকে চলে এলো? মুশকিল তো।
এবার স্যার ডিল উপরে লেখা আছে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে পেয়েছি পেয়েছি। So the most important thing that magnetic field is a function of current. It means if the current is increasing, magnetic field is also increasing. So if we suppose increase the amount of current, if we increase the amount of current through the coil, if we increase the amount of current through the coil, magnetic field of the coil will increase. Magnetic field of the current, magnetic field of the coil will increase. Then if we decrease the magnetic field, if we decrease the current, then the magnetic field or magnetic flux density will decrease, but it will not decrease on the same path. But it will not decrease on the same path, it will decrease on that path.
এটা ইন্ডাক্টরের জন্য হচ্ছে কি এরকম?
কোনটা?
সেম পাথে ডিক্রিজ করবে না?
That is not depending on inductor. Wait কর, কম্পিউটারটা হ্যাং করেছে। Okay, it will not for the inductor. It will not for the inductor. It is for the inner core magnetic property. ভালো করে একটু দেখাই, দাঁড়া।
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বল।
স্যার আমি বলছি আপনি -E1 আজকে লিখেছেন কেন ওই প্রাইমারি কয়েলে?
লেঞ্জেস ল আগের দিনকে এক্সপ্লেন করিনি ওটা?
আগের দিন স্যার আপনি প্লাস ধরেই করিয়েছিলেন, ওই E1ই লিখেছিলেন, আজকে মাইনাস লিখেছেন।
ঠিক আছে E1 ই লেখ, বাট এখানে কিন্তু মাইনাস হবে।
তাহলে স্যার E2টাও মাইনাস হবে?
না E2 মাইনাস হবে না।
আচ্ছা এটা
বিকজ E1 এর জন্য E2 ডেভেলপ করছে।
E1 এর জন্য
E1
হচ্ছে,
is
হ্যাঁ
coming from -n d phi dt.
হ্যাঁ স্যার, তাহলে স্যার শুধু প্রাইমারিটাই মাইনাস লিখবো?
হ্যাঁ প্রাইমারিতেই মাইনাস হবে শুধু, বিকজ ইট ইজ অপোজিট টু V1. এখানে তো E2 is treated as a source.
স্যার
এখানে তো E2 is treated as a source. কি বললাম বোঝা গেল? E2 is treated as a source. So that way and that way. So flux density means what?
স্যার ম্যাগনেটিক ফ্লাক্স পার ইউনিট এরিয়া।
Yes, magnetic flux plus per unit area. It is denoted as phi by A. বোঝা গেছে কি বললাম? Phi, what is the unit of phi? Can you tell me what is the unit of phi?
স্যার ওয়েবার।
Weber. And what is the unit of
মিটার স্কয়ার।
area? Huh?
মিটার স্কয়ার স্যার।
Yes, Weber per meter square. So flux density is denoted as Weber per meter square, and that flux density is denoted by B. Very good. Okay, now magnetic field intensity, H, or we can call it magnetic field. Ball. What is the unit of magnetic field?
স্যার অ্যাম্পিয়ার পার মিটার।
Not per meter. That is not per meter. What is the magnetic field? That is the number of coil N, and that is the current. So we can call that ampere turn. You heard about that term? Ampere turn.
শুনিনি স্যার।
Ampere turn শুনিসনি কতটা?
না স্যার।
Ampere turn per meter. Okay, so that is a magnetic field is all about. Magnetic field is basically called as a ampere turn. So ampere multiple by total number of current multiple by the number of turns. So that will denote the magnetic field intensity H. Okay, now you understand what I'm saying. Now that is depending on I, and that is linearly dependent. So if that axis is h, if that axis represent is h, that axis also represent I, because they are linear, because n1 is constant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if the current is increased, the flux will also increase. The flux per area will also increase. So the B is also increased.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after some point of time, what will happen? And that is basically the core magnetic saturation property. What will happen? Do you know the molecular property of magnet? Suppose,
Ferromagnet.
yeah, suppose the magnet has that disorientation. North pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole, north pole, south pole. This disorientation is there.
So magnetic dipole.
Yeah, magnetic dipole. Yes. These are basically the magnetic dipole. So that is the case for magnetic material. That is the case for magnetic material. So what happen if the current is, what happen if the current, এই কতক্ষণের ক্লাস নেই আমাদের?
Sir, 45 minutes.
মানে মানে কটা থেকে, আমি কটা থেকে ক্লাস আরম্ভ করেছি? 3টে।
হ্যাঁ, 3টে।
3:45 পর্যন্ত। তারপরে কার ক্লাস আছে?
আর নেই।
আর একটু 4টে অবধি টেনে দিই আমি একটু, হ্যাঁ, নালে শেষ হবে না রে। আর এগুলো একটু একে একটু ঠান্ডা মাথায় বোঝাতে হবে, না না বোঝালে বুঝতে পারবি না। ওকে, so the most important thing, when the current is flowing through it, they will orient themselves. But some orientation is not proper. You understand what I'm saying? If the current, so there lies a little bit amount of magnetic property, some amount of magnetic field, so the magnetic field will increase through the flow of current. If the intensity of current is high, then what will happen? Then more magnetic dipole will create. So more magnetic dipole is created. So it means there is a more powerful magnetic field. So ultimately at a point of time, if all the molecules are converted into magnetic dipole, if we increase the current, there is a no change of magnetic field. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So that point is basically called as a saturation point. It means current is increased, but magnetic field means magnetic flux density will not increase. So magnetic flux per unit area remain constant. So and that point is basically called as knee point. That point is called as knee point, and after knee point, this area is called the saturation zone. That area is basically called as saturation zone. Okay, you understand what I'm saying right now? And right now, the magnetic, I increase the current, the magnetic flux will increase. But if we decrease the current, the magnetic flux will not decrease on that path. It will decrease in that path. Now, why that will happen? Because suppose I am increasing that thing in that area, then I am coming to decrease that thing. What will happen at the time of decreasing? Some magnetic property remain there in between that particular magnet. Some magnetic property remain there in that particular magnet. So what will happen? This is about some magnetic property that will remain there. That's why they are creating that kind of gap. And due to that gap, some area is created. This is the area is created. And that area is basically called as hysteresis area. So material to material, that particular hysteresis area varies. Material to material, that particular hysteresis area varies. For some material it is like that, for some material it is like that. Okay, it is actually the wrong term. I am not taking it from the different. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not taking it to the different quadrant. I am only concentrating on a single quadrant, means first quadrant. So for material to material, the width of the hysteresis will increase or decrease. So for electrical engineering, for better transformer, what is the material we have to use? This kind of material or this kind of material? Can you tell me that?
স্যার হুইচ হ্যাভ দ্য হিস্ট্রিসিস এরিয়া যার বেশি ওটা ইউজ
না,
করব
they're কম. Why?
কম
Because that area is treated as a loss component.
আচ্ছা স্যার
That area is treated as a loss component. See, this is the reason. Now now you just go through that BH curve, and there you will find lot of things are there: coercivity, retentivity. পড়েছিলিস মনে পড়ে? Coercivity, retentivity. What do you mean by
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by coercivity? What do you mean by retentivity? Now just try to cope up these things in a more proper way. Now let me clarify you one more important thing, that is called as MMF, magnetomotive force. It is similar, magnetomotive force is similar to you know about magnetic field, then you can easily knew about the magnetic motive force. Okay. Now the most important thing, total MMF. Remember one important thing. Wait. Okay. It will create some problem sometimes. Whiteboard creates some problem. ওই দেখো, এই তো মুছলাম এগুলো আবার চলে এলো। So the last thing is, remember one important thing, MMF of a system is MMF of a system is constant. MMF of a system is constant, and MMF is denoted as MMF, that is the magnetomotive force. It is denoted as বোঝা গেছে? Hello, number of turns in the solenoid multiplied by the current flows into it, or the current flows through it. Hello.
ইয়েস স্যার
হ্যাঁ স্যার
So MMF of the system is constant. Let's consider the MMF, while let's consider the MMF while the system is on no load. Let's consider the MMF while the system is on low load. So let me clarify you that thing, that number of turns of the primary is N1 and number of turns of the secondary is N2. Now, can you tell me if current is flowing through the primary circuit at that point when there is no load, the current is only flowing through the primary circuit? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The current is only flowing through the primary circuit. So what is the amount of MMF at that point of time?
Sir, N1 I0.
Absolutely correct. N1 I0. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So is there any kind of MMF of the system? System কি আর কোনো MMF আছে?
না স্যার,
স্যার আরেকটা
Okay.
কয়েল রয়েছে তো
হ্যাঁ, yes.
স্যার
কিন্তু
একটা
কারেন্ট নেই তো।
কারেন্ট
হ্যাঁ?
নেই
Hello.
ও বলতে চাইছে যে স্যার আর একটা সেকেন্ডারি কয়েল আছে তো, কিন্তু ওটা
হ্যাঁ,
তো কারেন্ট
because
নেই।
if there is no current, then the MMF is equal to
0
0. See, you understand what I'm saying right now?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
So
Yes, sir.
that is the MMF, that is the total MMF of the system at
No load condition.
no load condition. Now let's make the system little bit, let's change the system. Right now we are connecting that thing. We are connecting that thing through load. And through it, V2 is there. So at that point of time, current is flowing through N2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Current is flowing through N2, and what is the amount? I2 current is flowing to N2, and that the similar time I1 current is flowing through N1. So the total MMF is how much? Can you tell me? For primary side, if we consider the primary side, the MMF is N1.
N1 I1.
I1
Wait.
N1 I1
Wait. Okay. The system hang করে যাচ্ছে কেন? N1 I1. Okay. And for the secondary, what is the total MMF?
N2 I2.
N2 I2
And we can say that is the total MMF at load. ওর বাবা, এত হ্যাং করলে তো মুশকিল ব্যাপার। Now you understand? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now what I am telling you, the MMF of a system is constant. What do you mean by that? It means that MMF at no load and the MMF at loaded condition both are equal.
Yes.
Okay, so the equation is you understand what I'm writing right now?
Yes, sir.
And that equation is called as MMF equation. This
স্যার
equation
বুঝলাম না
is
ওটা কেন স্যার সেম হলো মানে দুটোর এমএমএফ টা এক
MMF
হলো
of a system is constant. একটা MMF পুরো একটা সিস্টেমে সবসময় কনস্ট্যান্ট থাকে। দুটো কেস
কিন্তু স্যার ফার্স্ট ক্ষেত্রে প্রথম ক্ষেত্রে তো কেবলমাত্র সিস্টেমটা ফার্স্ট কয়েলটা সেকেন্ড কয়েলটা তো ওটা তো লোড নেই তো ওটা তো বাদ হয়ে যাবে
সিস্টেম তো টোটাল সিস্টেমটা তো দুটো কয়েল নিয়েই। আলটিমেট ম্যাগনেটিক ফিল্ডটা কত হচ্ছে? আলটিমেট এমএমএফটা কত হচ্ছে ওই সিস্টেমের? N1 I0।
হ্যাঁ
নেক্সট আমি জাস্ট কানেক্ট করলাম লোড, সিস্টেমের মধ্যে লোডটা ইনকর্পোরেট করলাম, তাহলে আমার এমএমএফটাই দেখ চেঞ্জ হয়ে গেল, N1 I1 প্লাস N2 I2। বাট বলা আছে কি এমএমএফ অফ আ সিস্টেম ইজ কনস্ট্যান্ট, সো দ্যাট পার্ট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু দ্যাট পার্ট।
ওকে
দ্যাট ইজ বেসিক্যালি কল্ড দ্য এমএমএফ ইকুয়েশন।
স্যার এটা কি ফোর্থ ইকুয়েশন?
That is the fourth equation.
Okay, sir.
That is the fourth equation. Now I am going to convert that equation a little bit from that perspective. What we get, n1 I1 is equal to n1 I0 minus n2 I2. Yes or no? At
Yes,
that
sir.
point of time, I1 equal to how much?
N1 I0 by N2 I2 by N1.
It means I0 minus yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we can write I0 A is what?
N2 by N1.
It, that is by N2 by N1. So the fourth equation we can write I1 is equal to I0 minus A I2. So that is our fourth equation. That is our fourth equation. You understand? Fourth equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's go to the fourth equation and go to draw the equivalent circuit. That is not the equivalent circuit. I'm going to draw the equivalent circuit right now. Now tell me the equations. First equation.
Sir, V1 equal to I1 into R1 plus JX1 minus E1.
Right?
Yes,
That is one. Number two is
sir, E2 equal to V2 plus I2 into R2 plus ZX2.
3.
3 is, sir, I0 equal to I core plus I5.
Right. I'm talking about I core is equal to H plus E, hysteresis plus eddy current loss. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you what do you mean by eddy current loss. ওটা আমি স্কিপ করে গেছি হট করে ভুলে গেলাম আবার আর তোরাও কেউ জিজ্ঞেস করিস না eddy current loss and
স্যার এডি কারেন্টটা পড়েছিলাম ওই টেম্পারেচার ডিফারেন্সের জন্য যে কারেন্টটা ফ্লো হয় মানে দুটো
না
ডিফারেন্ট মেটালে
টেম্পারেচার ডিফারেন্সের জন্য কারেন্ট এখানে ফ্লো হয় না যাই হোক বলছি আমি সবকিছুতে আচ্ছা I1 equal to
I0 minus AI2.
that is the equation number 4. So that system that is basically called the transformer equation. This 4 is basically called as a transformer equation. Okay. Now the most important thing on the previous circuit, if you have already drawn that previous circuit, you will see that previous circuit there is no junction between primary and secondary coil. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
concept of equivalent circuit. What is the concept of equivalent circuit? What is the concept of equivalent circuit? And they called you equivalent circuit with respect to primary. What do you mean by that with respect to primary? Now, what are the primary component? Can you tell me what is the primary side component?
Sir, voltage source E1, I1,
R1 JX1.
JX1.
Secondary side component?
Sir, E2, I2,
E2,
R2.
I2, R2, JX.
Wait. Primary side component এখনো শেষ হয়নি। I0.
আচ্ছা,
সবই তো primary side component.
স্যার
ওকে,
I1টাই তো I0 হয় যখন নো
I1
লোড।
টাই I0 হয়, সেজন্য আমি I0টা লিখলাম আর একবার। ওকে, and the secondary side component V2.
V2, E2, I2, R2.
Okay, so these are the
Sir,
secondary
I2.
side component. With respect to primary means we are taking that side as normal, and we have to change those thing as per primary. And the equivalent circuit, I'm going to show you the equivalent circuit should remember one important thing, that equivalent circuit should satisfy this four equation. That equivalent circuit should satisfy this four equation. And what is the equivalent circuit? Let me show you the equivalent circuit. That is called the equivalent circuit of a transformer. That is called the equivalent circuit of a transformer. Now, the question will come from your end. How that circle will satisfy these four equations? And the most important thing, on the previous area, we have writing down this thing. But you know that thing is replaced here by this thing. Yes or no? You understand?
Yes, sir.
So that thing is replaced by this thing. What do you mean by that? Here there is no connection. In actual case, there is no connection. In actual case, this is actually that case. Equivalent means the output of this system and the output of this system is similar. But for the easiest way of calculating this thing, this procedure is very vital. That is, the outcome of this thing and the outcome of the equivalent circuit should be the same. This is the actual circuit. The outcome of the actual circuit and the outcome of the equivalent circuit is same. But for calculation part, we have to convert that separate circuit into a single circuit. বোঝা গেছে কি বলা হলো? The separate circuit into a single circuit.
স্যার
Hello?
নরমাল আর অ্যাজ পার প্রাইমারিটা কি লিখলেন তো বলবেন?
Normal means these element. Let's see দেখ R1 এর মাথায় কি কোনো প্রাইম এসছে, কোনো ড্যাশ এসছে? দেখ
হ্যাঁ
না।
স্যার।
আছে কি R1 এর মাথায় কোনো ড্যাশ এসছে?
না
X1 এর মাথায় কোনো ড্যাশ আছে?
না
I0 এর মাথায় আছে? H প্লাস E এর মাথায় আছে?
না না
i5 এর মাথায় আছে, v1 এর মাথায় আছে। দিজ আর অল প্রাইমারি কম্পোনেন্ট। প্রাইমারি কম্পোনেন্ট গুলো চেঞ্জ হবে না, চেঞ্জ কারা হবে? সেকেন্ডারি কম্পোনেন্ট। কে আছে? i2, তার মাথায় দেখ কে আছে এখন, i2 প্রাইম, r2 prime, x2 prime, v2 prime. Understand what I'm saying right now?
স্যার
স্যার চেঞ্জ বলতে,
হ্যাঁ,
স্যার চেঞ্জ মানে ঠিক বুঝলাম না।
আমি দেখাচ্ছি, এখনো তো দেখাইনি, শেষ করিনি। চেঞ্জ মানে এই i2 আর i2 প্রাইম কিন্তু সেম নয়। আমার অ্যাকচুয়াল সার্কিটটা কি ছিল?
স্যার মানে দুটোকে জয়েন করার জন্য ওটা একটু চেঞ্জ
আমার
হচ্ছে, তাই তো?
অ্যাকচুয়াল সার্কিটটা কি ছিল? This is our actual circuit. Yes or no? This is our actual circuit, and that actual circuit is converted into equivalent circuit. কি করছি? এই দুটোকে জয়েন করে দেওয়া হয়েছে। দেখ, এই দুটোকে জয়েন করে দেওয়া হয়েছে। হ্যালো
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যালো, এই দুটোকে জয়েন করে দিয়েছে। তো এই দুটোকে জয়েন করলে এই পার্টগুলো তো চেঞ্জ হবেই। এই পার্টগুলো কি এক থাকবে আর?
না
এবার চেঞ্জ ওভার গুলো দেখাচ্ছি, চেঞ্জ ওভার গুলো কি আছে। লেটস ডু দ্যাট থিং। একই জিনিস কিভাবে চেঞ্জ হচ্ছে দেখ। হোয়াট ইজ লাস্ট ইকুয়েশন? i1 equal to,
i0 minus ai2
ওকে, i0 minus ai2 আছে তো। লেটস মুভ দ্যাট সিস্টেম i0 plus i2 dash. So what is i2 dash? Yes or no?
স্যার ক্যাপিটাল আই না স্মল আই স্যার?
Small I. Oh, এটা capital I না small I. Sorry. Okay. Hello. Now
Yes, sir.
Yes,
that equation can be written like that way. If it is written like that way, then you will see that I1 is equal to I0 plus I2 dash. Then you see that I1, it has two component. One is I0 and another is I2 dash. Here the equation satisfies. করলো তো এটাকে satisfy? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I am converting it into I2 dash, it will satisfy that thing. Whereas I2 dash equal to আমার কত? Minus AI2. Remember that thing. I2 dash equal to minus AI2. Okay. Let's remove that thing. Let's remove that thing. Now, if we say from that terminal to that terminal, this one is E1. So it will already satisfy the primary voltage equation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But the secondary voltage equation is not satisfied. But you will see that the no load equation is satisfied, by which, because this one is I0 and it has two component, IH plus E and I5. Because IH plus is a resistive component, so I am putting a resistance here, and I5 is a magnetic component, I am putting a reactance there, which is called as R0 and X0. Okay. This is the imaginary thing, but as this is basically the loss created by the resistive component, that's why I'm putting it R0 and X0, and R0 or X0 is basically called as cold loss component. R0 and X0 is basically called as core loss component. Now, here comes the next part that is called as E2. এটা কি আমাদের? What is it? Hello?
সেকেন্ডারি কয়েলের
সেকেন্ডারি কয়েল
Secondary coil
equation.
equation. But on that particular junction point, what is the voltage there? Minus E1? Yes or no?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Now divide that system with minus E1. Okay, now sorry, not minus E1. Divided the system, we know that it's not divided. We know that E2 by E1 equal to how much? N2 by N1? Yes or
sir.
no?
A.
Equal to
Yes.
A. So E1 equal to how much? E2 by A? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so divided the entire equation by A. You understand what I'm writing?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, এবার ধর suppose I am taking minus to each and every one. Let's take minus. Here it will minus. And this one is also minus. You understand what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes, sir.
I'm just putting minus
Yes,
to everyone. So if E1 equal to E2 by A, then minus E1 equal to minus E2 by A, right or wrong?
Yes.
So we can put it right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Okay. If we put that thing, then we can write now you will understand. Sorry. Let's take this thing V2 by A. Let's take this thing. Wait a minute. Now I2 dash equal to how much? AI2? I2 dash equal to how much? AI2? Yes or no?
Sir, minus AI2.
minus
Minus
AI2.
AI2? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If it is minus AI2, let's make that thing AI2 clear or clear no?
Clear, sir.
Clear everyone?
স্যার আরেকবার বলবেন স্যার এই I2 এর ব্যাপারটা ওটা বুঝলাম
এই তো ওপর আর নিচে আমি A দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে দিলাম।
আচ্ছা
তাহলে উপরে কত হয়? AI2
ভাই
নিচে কত হয়? A square.
হুম
Right now AI2 equal to how much?
Sir, minus AI2 equal to I2 dash.
I2 dash
V2 by A plus minus AI2 equal to I2 dash. So it is I2 dash inside R2 by A square plus JX2 by A square. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Write it down in your own copy. Hello, বুঝতে পারা যাচ্ছে? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
This is a big question right now I am solving. Okay.
হ্যাঁ, স্যার একটু বেশি বড় মনে
Almost
হচ্ছে
coming for 8 mark or 7 mark. Okay. Okay, so right now minus E1 is equal to minus V2 by A plus I2 dash, and inside it is R2 by A square plus JX2 by A square. So it is, I am writing it V2 dash plus I2 dash R2 dash plus JX2 dash, where V2 dash is equal to minus V2 by A and R2 dash is equal to R2 by A square and X2 dash is equal to X2 by A square. Right or right now?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
Okay, you understand? If you understand, then you will see that minus E1 is at this is acting as a source. This one is created as minus E1. This part is created as minus E1, and that minus E1 should be equal to I2 dash is flowing through the circuit. So what is the drop? The drop is I2 dash, R2 dash plus JX2 dash. So it is satisfied. Plus this one is V2 dash, this one is V2 dash, that is satisfied. See, that is basically called the equivalent circuit. So 4 equations are satisfied. So from there you can draw the equivalent circuit. And that is the equivalent circuit. We can solve it. You can call it equivalent circuit with respect to primary. That is the equivalent circuit with respect to primary.
স্যার এখানে
Hello.
তাহলে E2 কনসেপ্ট নেই?
হ্যাঁ,
E2
E2 তো এখানে কোথায় E2 আছে বল?
নেই তো স্যার।
নেই তো। তাহলে এই E2 টাকে কনভার্ট করতে হলো আমাকে E1 এ, যেহেতু আমি এই জিনিসটাকে এক করে দিয়েছি। এখানে E1 ডেভেলপ করছিল, এখানে E2 ডেভেলপ করছিল, আমি তখন সিস্টেমটাকে একটাই সিস্টেম করে দিয়েছি। That is the actual system, and that is basically our equation solving purpose. We can adopt the system, we can rearrange the system like that way. Okay, so if you totally understand that particular concept, then just in your home practice equivalent circuit of transformer with respect to, what does it mean? You understand? What does it mean? Hello?
স্যার এর মানে উল্টোটা, মানে আমাদের এবার
Same
secondary
equivalent
circuit-
circuit. You have to prove everything. You have to prove all the 4 equation. You have to prove all the 4 equation. But there, the difference is
With respect
V2,
to second-
I2, R2, X2. They are typically the same thing. Only the changeover is I0 become I0 dash, IH plus E become IH plus E dash, X1 becomes X1 dash, R1 become R1 dash, and you have to find out V1 become V1 dash, and you have to find out each and every value. What is the value of V1? What is the value of
So,
R1
তাহলে
dash? What is the value
মাইনাস
of,
E1 টা কি E2 হয়ে যাবে?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, ওইটা
কোনটা বলছিস? এটাতে বলছিস না এটাতে বলছিস?
মানে সেকেন্ডারিতে মাইনাস E1 টা কি E2 হয়ে যাবে?
সেকেন্ডারি ইকুয়েশনটা তো কিছু চেঞ্জই হবে না, সেকেন্ডারি ইকুয়েশন এটাই থাকবে।
আচ্ছা,
তখন তো
এটা
প্রাইমারিটা
থাকবে।
ধরে কাজ করতে হবে তোকে, তখন তো চেঞ্জ হবে প্রাইমারিটা। এটা
স্যার,
উইথ
তখন
রেসপেক্ট
না।
টু প্রাইমারি যখন আমি বললাম, তখন আমার প্রাইমারি ইকুয়েশনটা কিছু চেঞ্জ হলো? হয়নি তো।
না,
এই ইকুয়েশনটাও চেঞ্জ হলো, এই ইকুয়েশনটাও চেঞ্জ হলো, এই ইকুয়েশনটাও চেঞ্জ হলো। যখন রেসপেক্ট টু সেকেন্ডারি ধরবো, তখন এই ইকুয়েশনটা চেঞ্জ হবে না, আনচেঞ্জ থাকবে। এই
আচ্ছা,
ইকুয়েশনটাও চেঞ্জ হবে,
বাকি 3টে চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে।
সব চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে। ঠিক আছে?
স্যার
ইয়েস।
স্যার বলছি যে এই যে আপনি এটার সময় মাইনাস E1টাকে ধরেছেন,
হুম,
তখন তো আমি যখন সেকেন্ডারি রেসপেক্টটা
আমি
করবো
জানি
তখন
না,
তো E1 আমি ধরবো না।
আমি জানি না, ইটস ইয়োর কনসেপ্ট, আমি কিছু বলবো না এটা। Otherwise, everything, if you understand this thing, If you are engineer, if you understand this thing, I've clearly mentioned you that thing. Let's try that thing. Let's try to draw the transformer referred to secondary.